You have to look at it from behind to see the full bending.
The full extent of the damage.
Yeah.
Remind everybody what happened here.
Yeah, so I was sitting below the waterfall at Griffin on a side hill, and Sean's like, I'm gonna come up above you, I'm gonna side hill by you. So I'm standing there filming, and he's coming along, and he loses balance right above me, and pins her, and comes right over the top here. Here's his, that's marks from his track. But it twisted this whole thing sideways.
So it's all
ran
bad.
me over.
It was a split-second decision. It was either hit the brake and put my ski underneath, have the A-arms and everything smash the tunnel, or give it some throttle and try and get over him.
Well, this was a good option for you because you don't have any broken parts.
It did break the Lynx adapter. Broke that one tab off and bent it, but the old sled rack, she's a tough unit.
Not too bad. The sled racks?
Yeah.
Can you even get them still?
Couldn't tell you.
I don't know if he still makes them or not. We'd have to,
But yeah,
we'd have to see.
we got a new adapter Sean's got here, so that. And then rip this thing apart, I guess.
And put the old hardcore back together.
I'll drag it sideways so you can look at it from the back.
Yeah.
And you can see the twist. It's like twisted this way and it's that way, I think.
Well, the bumper's from another time.
Oh yeah. It's another story.
But yeah, that's not quite that straight anymore.
Now, if it wasn't a two-piece tunnel, this would be a job.
Oh yeah, that would be a whole chassis. It's still a little bit of a job. We still got to get the gas tank off and stuff.
We're gonna take the gas tank off.
Yeah, because we got to get these rivets down under the gas tank, which
I'll get after it, man. We'll watch.
we are doing the repair today on the old hardcore. Getting that new rear bumper back in. That Ben doesn't even think it's gonna fit.
Oh, I'm skeptical.
When I was up at my mom's there, I went to the shop and I was on the phone with Austin, and he's like, fire that sled up. So, I did. I didn't explode.
Your sled didn't
Still here.
explode.
Yeah.
The brakes didn't catch on fire? Just like
Nothing happened. It was a little underwhelming, really.
Now you were smart and got the 162 bumper for your new 153 tunnel, right?
Yeah.
We were actually worried about that.
We were worried about that. It's right there, and Sean was measuring it for me.
Good.
And I was like, I think it's right, but we're gonna find out.
Well, you ordered a 153, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're good.
Well,
We good.
I'm not saying that people never screw up orders, but it happens.
It's true.
Pull that heavy turd over.
Let's turn over. We have TKI wheels. Let's take it right up.
Right up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Pulling a skid's quick, man.
I never pulled this shit.
No. Pulling a skid's so easy.
Never seen that baby like that before, huh?
Nope. It's the first time. Look at this freaking skid plate. We took a good one there, eh?
Oh yeah.
Worth every dollar. Skid
Oh,
plate
they
on
are.
everything.
That's like right where your chain case is too, huh?
Yeah. A lot of guys actually still break them even, I think.
Belt drive, but
Yeah.
whatever.
Oh.
Hey, look at those fancy things.
Hey.
Those are gonna be sweet.
You got an offset kit for that?
Yeah. 2 wheels.
Whoa.
Look at how baller those are, eh?
How big are these?
10s.
Tens?
Same as yours.
Do you want me to put together your wheel kit here while you're doing that, or what?
Yeah, good.
Okay, I'll put together. They look huge, man. Huh.
Everything looks bigger 10 inches.
Yes, grind through the tunnel.
What?
Is that loud? It's loud over here. You happy with that? Oh, you can't hear nothing.
You happy with that? Alright, Ben. Now all the room to swing there.
The rest of this wrap though. the wrap cannot stand up to the
Just checking to see if I got the camera going, or.
Oh, stop.
What happened? Did we slide off?
Oh yeah.
No!
Don't ever do this to my shit ever again. It's not that much fun.
You leaking there, fella?
I am.
You're all right.
No, that's the sled. That's
An Arctic Cat.
Yeah, you probably don't even need anything else than that.
Oh, I remember I had a sled that did this once to me. It was basically the same thing.
I do
I do
too.
remember that day.
Hey!
Can I throw it? No.
Isn't that Sean's wall art?
This is actually my water, man.
So Ben, crazy idea. We just run it like that. We just put the seat gas tank on.
It's fine, Ben.
And then if you lose a strap in the track, then you'll be in there too.
Factory bent.
Factory bet. Right. Thanks, Arctic Cat. Right from new. The right size.
This will be sweet, man. Ben's gonna have a wicked ride. At least we'll be able to get to the frickin' back of the bumper when we're trying to pull on it.
When I'm trying to tow you, it'll be a nice tow point, eh?
Use that.
The stuff that doesn't fit, huh? Switching off.
It always fits perfectly. You can never beat how a sled comes on the factory.
Super new just for you. There you go, Ben.
Loose. So that's how it's supposed to go. And that's I mean, I don't mind the look of it. It doesn't look that bad. It looks fucking sick. I mean, it does.
Oh, I think that's the way mine looks.
It wouldn't really matter. Like those bolts are smooth enough going inside too, probably.
Looks pretty deadly, dude.
Do you want to be on the outside?
Well, it's from the bottom up. That's gonna be harder. You might need a punch to get the center on there. Frick it.
I say give her.
Give her.
Like the last 2 rivets we got to install on this puppy. What are you thinking, Ben?
Looks good. It looks good. What a project.
Man, we got a whole assembly line going on this thing today.
Yeah. I might put my mountain addiction rails back on and put a jerry can on because I do kind of miss the thought of having fuel.
Even just a little bit, even just like a little 5 liter.
Yeah.
I don't think that's where this goes, Ben, but it's a good thing you got kids around.
Get it a sec. Meet all of you.
Oh!
Look at that.
Looks good now.
That looks deadly, man. Look at those wheels.
Look at that bling!
I like it.
Yeah, you got some bling on this thing now.
Big wheels.
So when do you get to go out and try it?
The 28.
Deadly.
28 going to Maple Leaf.
Sweet.
Not much, but
Makes a difference, huh?
big difference.
Because now your track's sticking out. Yep.
Right about there.
Well, that sticks out so much further. Wow. Cool. It's just like the Alpha now. Same bumper, different grab handle. I like yours. You want to trade?
No. I'm
No?
not drilling no more rivets after
No. We just the bumper, just the grab handle, Ben.
Bumper, yeah?
Just the grab handle. You need some purple on there,
We're
buddy.
gonna pull this skid out again because I gotta get rid of that gray. I fucking hate gray.
Oh my
I think it
God.
looks good, but you know,
And I'm gonna get the Ice Age LA kit to get rid of those gray spindles one day.
I might do that too.
Pricey.
Yeah, buddy. Hardcore's back together. That's it. We are back in action for the season. Thanks everybody for watching today's video. If you happen to enjoy today's video, consider leaving a like and subscribing because it makes you feel good. Right, Sean?
That's right.
All right. Bye, everybody. We'll see you in the next one real soon.